Before we get to this point, I think I should introduce myself and tell you why I need a reset routine. Hey y'all, I'm Nakia, and I am a full-time student and part-time worker at thrift jobs. My week could get really hectic. So on Sundays, I do like to do salsa classes, and I do also like to shop before I come home and start my reset routine. Hi, Cam. Hi, Cam. You okay? I want y'all to see what I look at. It's so pretty. I don't know. It just looks so majestic. Like just a whole bunch of trees right here. Really cute. Oh my god! Say hi. R.I.P. my flowers. Ow, ow, ow! If I stick myself with a thorn one more time, I will never get roses again. I promise. If I stick myself again. That stuff hurts. It is not no joke. Lights off. I guess the groove's on. So I am digging the scene, digging on you, digging on me. Baby, 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 baby. Oh, what can I feel the way I do? Do you? What do you like that song because it makes you feel groovy? Yeah, I like that song because it makes me feel groovy. How she, did she prick her finger on a needle? I think she pricked her finger on a needle. But if she picked her, no, I don't know. She pricked her finger on a needle or on a rose. And I can understand both because these things hurt and they be in the least expecting place. What the? Yeah. You love me? Why is that? What did you give me some John Paul here?
Oh no. Your old ass fucking taste.
What?
I brought the shit down from 112 items to 8 items.
What are we talking about? Are you getting a head start on anniversary? Cause I still got Sweetest Day.
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
These bitches out of every side. They're your size. I want to do these on front.
So now I am about to clean the kitchen and the whole entire house. I guess, yeah.
Fine.
Tell me your shoulders. Your mother just called my phone, but sounds like your party's over. So I finished cleaning my living room, dining room, and kitchen. See how nice it is. It's pretty. Y'all should let me know what I should put in here to, you know, spice it up a little bit more. I was thinking some art up there and some art and like big paintings right there, but you know, and I got a little plant right there, but let me know what y'all think I should put in here just to, you know, spice it up some more. So I'm officially done cleaning my whole entire house. It's like 11 something. I've been here since 7, so with the distractions and everything, it's taken like 3 to 4 hours. I don't really care how long it takes when I clean, just because I just know that I'm gonna feel so comfortable when I'm done. And this is when the real reset starts, you know. You clean the house, you have a nice environment, and then now I can take a shower. Sometimes I cook a meal. I already made me some casserole on Friday, so I'm just gonna eat the leftovers of that. And then I could just, you know, relax, do a self-care routine. Feet hurt, so I just decided to sit in here for a while. This is my sanctuary. And this is Barreled. He's the bear version of my boyfriend. I will see you when I get out the shower. this is the end of the video. I really enjoyed making this video because this is how I do reset, and I do take resetting very importantly, very seriously. I love to start my week off with a clean house. It is so important. I just feel like it's new energy, new vibes, new things. Into doing like all the cleaning and then my shower and my face wash routine and stuff, I usually make me something to eat. I didn't make me anything because I already had some, so I just felt like there was no point in recording that. But I edit, I read, I watch Jersey Shore or whatever I'm watching, but like right now it's Jersey Shore. I'm talking to my boyfriend. I just relax. I do whatever I feel like doing, and that's really what a Sunday reset is basically, cleaning yourself and cleaning your house and just like getting rid of all of last week's trash and everything and bringing in trash and good stuff, because good stuff comes too, but getting rid of all of last week and bringing in the new week. I feel amazing, and now I'm gonna go to sleep because I have yoga in the morning. If you would like to see a tour of the house, a skincare routine, or anything, just make sure you like and subscribe for new content. There's a lot coming. So, have a picante day.